Hey everyone, today we're just going to welcome you to Maya's room, and I just want to kind of like tell you a little bit about her nursery. And when we were like setting it up, we love it a lot. It's like really nice and simple. We didn't do nothing crazy, or and everything was pretty much affordable. All right, so let me start by telling you about the crib. The crib, we actually, you won't believe this, but we found it. We found it on a curbside, so it was free. We didn't have to pay for it. It was a different color, but my husband painted it white, and you can barely tell. It looks like it was like that. Like you can't really tell at all. So that was pretty cool. The beautiful decorations on the top, that was made by my mother-in-law. It's so nice. So all I have to buy was the papers to make it, and she made it for me. The name, I got that at Joanne Fabric, I think it was. Yep. And they were actually on sale too. So, and let me show you this. The A, can you tell? It was actually a V, and since I couldn't find an A on sale, I bought V's and I put them upside down. I painted this part here, and it looks like an A. So you can even tell that it was a V, right? So cool. These little things, my mother-in-law, she got them for me. And I think they were from the dollar store too, so nothing too much there. I think the letters were like $1 something and change each. This, oh my gosh, yes, this was a good deal. I got this set, so it's that, the skirt, and this part. And I got that for $20 on sale on Baskov, I think I got it from. So I actually got 2 sets because they were $20 each. They're usually like $40 and plus. So that was a really good deal. Then over here, my husband found this chair, I think, or he got it at a tax sale for like, I don't even know, maybe $5. We could have painted it too, white, but we were being too lazy, so we just left it like that. All right, these little cute things, this right here, and this, my husband, he works at a wood shop, and they were just going to throw those out, so he grabbed them and he said, oh, I can make something out of them. And he made these little window looking things to decorate the room. So it's really nice, actually. I love it. And more stuff that my mother-in-law made. She did such a great job. Like, she really did. It's so nice. She made the butterflies too. So she did great. Look how beautiful. Another butterfly. This little thing, as you guys know, Maya had to stay at the hospital for about 2 weeks. And they made these little things for her. And on the back of it, there's like a story about another kid that was born premature and that stayed at the hospital as well. So it's really nice to, like, know that it wasn't just her, that she's not alone. There's other kids, and there's another one here. So she was made 2 of them, and I brought them both home. I just used them to decorate the room because it kind of goes with it too. It has like butterflies, and it's really cute. And it's just a reminder that, she's a fighter. Alrighty, this little thing behind the door helps to like I don't know, store stuff. So here I put the little bibs. Here I have like the little blankets, receiving blankets. Towels goes here, and here I have these little cloths. So I just use it to store extra things so it won't be all over the place. This flower, I love this, even though it's kind of like hidden like behind the door. But my 8-year-old made that for Maya. When my mother-in-law was making the other flowers, he wanted to make one too for Maya. So I definitely had to save it and put it in the room. You can see here he wrote her name, Maya, and it's so cute. So we were like, you know what, let's just honor his flower too and just put it somewhere. This room used to be a toy room, so it had the TV already up there, so I left it there because if not it was gonna be like a whole hassle to like remove it, but that's why it's just there. And sometimes I use it to like play music, lullabies and stuff like that. More stuff that my mother-in-law made. So cute, look at this. So she made this to decorate her room. It's like a little umbrella. It's bedazzled all over. So beautiful. And this is a picture. These are from the baby shower. The theme was Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. They came out really, really nice. And I just put it there to kind of like, my mother-in-law got me that one too, sweet baby. And some pictures of Maya. I used that to put her dirty clothes there. So like a little hamper. All right. I just put that there. It's just an M that my mother-in-law got. Can't you tell she's in love with her? And just a flower kind of like goes with it. On this side, I bought this changing station thing, and I just put it there. I didn't really get like dressers, as you can see. I used these box organizer. I don't know how they're called, but it works. I mean, it looks nice, and it's just kind of like keeps things organized. So there I put her baby clothes and everything, her shoes, her socks, everything that has to do with her. And then on this side I just have the genie for the dirty diapers, another storage thing. Here I keep like diapers and stuff like that. All right, and in these little drawers I keep her headbands. So you can see it's full, has a whole bunch of headbands. Here I just have like the lotions and things like that. And these are hats. All right. And these are a couple of little stuffed animals that she got at the hospital. They, you know, when people came to visit, they would give me a couple of things, and she got these 3. So I just kept them there. This is her first Christmas hat that she wore. And I think that's pretty much it, guys. This is Maya's room, and everything was pretty much very affordable. Nothing, that's her closet in there. I think. And I have these little area rugs, and I use them for Maya. So I do like tummy time on them. They're really nice and soft. And then the other one too, but that one I just keep it there. I use this one for tummy time. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is Maya's room. And just to give you a couple of ideas, if you are planning on working on the baby's room or nursery, there's a couple of ideas that you could use to set it up. and pretty affordable. You don't have to like spend too much money on it. All right, that's pretty much it, guys. See you next video. Bye.